involving the theft of $700 worth of campaign signs. Should we spend more retrying the suit for the trial under different charges? Start with Mr. Phillips.
I'm going to go out on a limb. Not really. This is utterly ridiculous. It should have never been tried that way. It should have been handed over to JP or something and been done with it. We have roads. We have a lot of other stuff we can spend our money on, and we shouldn't be doing that. Commissioners has no say in that whatsoever. If I did, I would have come out and said, look, let this guy go. The guy got his signs back. He won the election. Let's move forward and stop this nonsense. But sometimes, you know, in financing lawsuits and stuff, I know my opponent says that we're fighting the Attorney General's office and everything. You know, those things are necessary sometimes. I mean, just like the previous court, when Commissioner Fleming was on there, I didn't hear a word when there was over $100,000 spent on that investigation to open meetings violations. And so, you know, it was proven that it didn't happen. So what I'm saying is just, you know, keep your powder dry. And I'm not defending what anybody did on the court because I wasn't there. But I'm saying we need to wait till the investigation is over and find out, because this isn't the first time. It won't be the last. I don't condone it in any fashion. I don't think we ought to be spending our money on these kind of things, but it does happen sometimes.
I'm in agreement. It's not the first time, but it should be the last.
Should be.
My feelings on the other matter are that investigation, that's a law enforcement matter. It's not really for the commissioners court. Commissioners are largely administrative. They don't write legislation. They don't make legal decisions like a judge would. I don't think it's a particularly good use of the money. I don't think the $32,000 we've spent thus far on fighting these subpoenas is a good use of money. And I don't think it should be public money that's doing it.
One other thing, if I can follow up on this, since you brought it up.
30 seconds.
This $25,000 that was spent on the subpoenas and all that, what you must know, he says he'll follow the Open Meetings Act, but had he given this information to the Attorney General and the FBI and all that, he would have been in violation of the Open Meetings Act. You cannot give it up without a court order. And we told our attorney to go to the judge and tell him, give him everything. We have nothing to hide. Here it is, but they have to have a court order. And so that's why that money was spent to do that. It wasn't to block the FBI or anything else. Fully cooperating.